Hello folks. Well, this is a demo of voice control on the DJI Neo. In this case, I'm using the DJI Fly app on my iPhone 14. Voice control can only be done on the phone and the app, not able to do it on its own or with the RC2 controller. And for those who mentioned that I should try ActiveTrack to follow an object, I again say ActiveTrack is not an option on the app or the RC2. I know this because you can see I'm trying it right here. The reason is the Neo was designed to be an ActiveTrack already, so there's no need for that option. Follow is actually the same, but you know you don't have to draw a green box around yourself for it to follow you. Well, of course you can, but even around an object, it won't follow an object. Well, here I'm showing you the recording right from my iPhone with the phone screen recording turned on. By the way, you have to be flying to get into the quick shots, where the ActiveTrack normally shows up on the Mini 4 Pro, but as you can see, it's not here, neither on the iPhone or on the RC2 controller. Okay, here I'm drawing the green box around an object. Presumably it could be me, but it won't follow it, and I've tried that over and over with different objects, and I can't get anything to follow it. The thing is, though, when you're in quick shots, if you see, there's only the circle, the boomerang, the rocket, and a droney. That's all there is for this. Also down on the left, there's nothing that tells you your speed or distance from you. So just so you know, this is a simplified version of the Minis. But don't let that fool you, because this thing's got some really great features. Let's go ahead and show you the voice control. By the way, pay attention to the camera shots from the Neo. In light changes and conditions, it's pretty impressive with vibrant colors and auto brightness adjustments to light changes. Pretty amazing to me. And these are actual shots, and they're all unretouched by my editing.
Take off.
Okay. Take off.
Follow.
Follow.
Higher.
Okay.
Lower.
Okay.
Spotlight.
Spotlight.
That's spotlight. Which means it's just going to follow me around wherever I am. I can tell it to go a little higher. Higher.
Aircraft is already performing a test. Try again when finished.
Okay, land.
Okay.
One of the things that's kind of hard to do is to hold this button down for 3 seconds, aiming it at you when you're going to do something.
Without moving.
But if you have the voice control, it's real easy to do it. You just say, "Hey fly,
Go ahead.
spotlight."
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
And now we're in the spotlight mode. And it's just going to stay over there and watch me the entire time wherever I am. Okay? Hey fly.
Here.
6-meter droney.
Droney.
There's follow, there's circuit direction track. There is no ActiveTrack. So let's go with Hey Fly.
Go ahead.
Close follow.
Follow.
I mean, you know. Hey Fly.
Here.
Land.
Okay.
And if I want to stop it, I can go over here to the manual control.
Landing.
Rocket.
Rocket.
Again, you can see the green box around me. It automatically does that. I don't have to draw that around me at all.
Goes right back to where it was. Hey Fly.
Here.
Circle.
Circle.
Follow.
Follow.
Hey Fly.
Here.
Land.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Land.
Got it. Landing.
So that's basically it about the voice control. Just simply say, hey Fly, and DG will respond with here or go ahead or some others. Then just say take off, follow, circle, spotlight, 4-meter droney, 6-meter droney, close follow, 2-meter circle, higher, lower, direction track, boomerang, and the Neo will do it. You know, this is pretty handy because trying to start the Neo by holding the button down for 3 seconds without moving, pretty hard, and just saying take off is brilliant. So that's it for this demo, and I hope that helps explain things that some have not seen before. Well, thanks a lot for watching today, folks. I hope this gives you a little bit of idea how you can use the voice control command with your iPhone on the DJI Neo. It's really cool, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you did, hit that like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you do that too.